Hello guys, it's been a while and welcome to my YouTube channel again. Um, I've been having like a lot of break and I am back now. And this video I will be wanting to teach you how to get your frequency separation or how to create your frequency separation from scratch without using an action. So that means if you have a laptop or a desktop and then you don't have frequency separation action on it, you can use this method I'm going to show you on how to retouch your pictures. So watch with me and let's go. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate a new layer. I'm having a background layer and layer 1. This is duplicate layer, layer 1. So I'm going to still duplicate layer 1 to 2 copies. So I'm going to use this layer 1 copy as my sample layer. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to hide layer 1 copy 2 and then go to filter and go to Gaussian blur. This is where you find the radius. So in every frequency operation you will need to put a radius. What kind of radius do you want to put so that your pictures can get smooth? So for this skin I want to use the radius number 8. I think it works, so I'm going to be using it and then click OK. When I click OK, I will have to come back here and then open or unhide with layer 1 copy 2. So when I do that, I will then come here to layer 1 copy 2 and go to image, come here to apply image. I will now click on apply image. I will be having this whole thing here where it says layer, channel, opacity and such. So I'm going to click on the layer and click on layer 1 copy because I want the applied image to be on layer 1 copy. When I do that, I'll then change the blending mode to subtract. Make sure that the scale is on 2, the offset should be on 128 and the opacity should be 100. When you do that and everything is checked, you will now click on OK. When you click on OK, you can see that we're having this ash or gray feel on the layer. So the next thing you do is you come to blending mode for this particular layer, layer 1 copy 2, and change the blending mode to linear light. When you click on linear light, it's going to turn back to a normal way it was before, showing you that it is now checked and is good to go. So what you do is you click back to the layer 1 copy, and this will be your layer that you have to retouch your pictures on. So this is called color layer and this is called the texture layer. So the layer 1 is called the color layer and layer 1 copy 2 is called the texture layer. So you use the texture layer to take out blemishes when you're brushing and also take out necessary things that has to be textured on the skin or on the picture, while you use layer 1 copy to only work on the color, that means the whole picture, because when you combine the color and the textures, that makes it a whole picture. So this is where you can brush. You can pick your mixer brush. I'm using this mixer brush. This is my mixer brush setting. I will then hide the layer 1, copy 2, just to show you a little example. And then I'm going to zoom in my picture a little bit so that I can see what I'm doing, and then I'll pick the mixer brush to just brush a little. So I'm going to be brushing the forehead, just the forehead. So this is the highlights, and I'll just brush and blend the highlight. And whenever I'm brushing, when it comes to the part where it's not big, I'll have to reduce the size of my brush to make sure that I don't drag other parts of the body to the other part. So I won't let my shadows get into my midtones, or my midtones get into my highlight. So this is basically the idea of increasing and reducing your brush so while you're editing or while you're retouching your photo. So I actually just wanted to show you how to create this frequent separation, and then I think we're good. So you can open it and then see. As you can see that this brushing works well. So whenever you want to take out the texture, as I said, layer 1 copy 2 is the texture layer, right? So I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to zoom in to the face closer. So, and then whenever I want to work on the texture, that's when I come to the texture layer 1 copy 2, and then click on layer 1 copy 2. So let me use this clone stamp to take these textures, and then let's see if it's going to work. I'm going to sample and then apply. Yeah, you can see that it's working. Sample, apply. This is working. So this is where you can know that this is the texture layer and this is the color layer. So this is basically how to create your frequency separation from scratch. It's so easy and simple. In case you get a desktop or a laptop that doesn't have an action of frequency separation, you can use these methods to retouch your images, and they will come out so nice and good. Thank you. Make sure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in my next video. Thanks.